Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
For me, my Obibia, I call about strong and the battle my change. And then so I am Mexico and I'm in the Inkitan we ever some Nagana and some air course so down than just a fufro. Aba be boyet na in the election in the course so and ran a year to Abananka signing a battle on a chino and ran accounting to dona air course to echo pass and a party major parties no money break by year and this Amanucone MPP request fi esan say na ayese first and second dey omuntemu na gina pa na enu mu no ema bronu bi so even ballot paper no one more tete is essence na na do down kwatese na enimu kra everyone and a bronu bi so ebi mu ekofa ballot box chese nsemu dey esie na nu achi ni krampo no account do na be bo mu no easy any percentages be released by not just a bimu because of him rim a bimu shio ankasa. Then soon in the not just a Ghana for the radio station, TV station, prediction, coso. Na a year collect pan say I'm a new Cuba could ye. A year then ya woman just a befa a year. About no Emma Manuel percentage no from when you bring a pan and your conferences I will press conference there do even those in a percentage I'm on record there back who a year strong so now man record there back who from still not about or catch it and a cheetah for say one come and told me maybe a grandpa one with the woman secret now woman Joe and yes and say about it there a woman on my fanity for a rich no Ghana for the doodling ya butcher and chain easy and easy pay moody but two ja and now my power a Ghana for their shannon sa na the power no what they can say a year is excellence na do down kwa no and our fa a year akonyame for a year 2020 election and no anko ye amatimemu for woman omachita from a year NDC amanyoko no na enu na eye openi awada eye NDC amanyoko no e dia betu dwa se wono de eye declaration we ya e course no wonjintu mesan se bibia kire se wonjintu se every county bi ekoso na se nyome bia ankoyie wo ho the way e delay ye ene osusu se krono sem katahye pro ye bia bemu eye aban a wote so na aban a wonya ye wone eye dudu na akomti abomu se eye den ya wo mo be stand ya eye NDC ti wo mo no enye ade a wo mo be chi atum na no ama Ghana ye he ebi mu kasa se se mo nti ase e dia Ghana mbra wa ha enwu nyia se press conference dudu na be kwaso nemo de nyia ne se mo fa eye asem no enkokot na enu na eye lawyer just a controversial lawyer in the Ghana has said lawyer Morrison Apau the same be about Betujana. Then someone the Betujana say a year qua NDC amanokoni na emfa a year easy and court declaration in court they say one stroke crack. As I said, maybe a chain wa MPP court and same be so wa a quotia a MPP. Na eno na wo susu se eye NDC amanoko no womo so womo suro se sa eye embra edi eye MPP amanoko in 2012 no se embra no so ene womo so ebedi na etie for me den someone eye lawyer Morrison Ampau edi tu ja no me de tu ja sa pepepepe edi amawo na odisa interview e ko so ewo want to read television and our can and semo when I say in our can. Also when the MPP took the NDC and after returning to court on the 2012 elections, former Justice Atugoba admitted at that time that elections are won at the polling stations and that if the party agent signed the pink sheet and did not fill any petition form to claim something did not go wrong, and the electoral commission based of this to declare the election result, then the Supreme Court cannot order for a recount of ballot papers or go over the collation procedures again. And therefore, yeah, papa yi nsɛm a wɔde to dwa wɔ se mbrɛ bi wɔ hɔ sɛ ɛyɛ election na obɛwi ni o na wɔn wi ni o ne nyinaa ɛyɛ polling station hɔ a na ɛkɔ so na sɛ ɛkɔba sɛ ɛyɛ agent a wɔn that time election kɔ so no na wɔn yɛ in charge sɛ wɔn wie election yɛ count wie na sɛ one standing and fill forms sɛ ebia you deserve recount na na nneɛma anyɛ correct ana bibi kɔ wrong na sɛ wɔn sign saa pink sheet ne pɛ ɛna wɔn ne court ni asɛ bɛsan sɛ wɔkɔ kra court ebedie tia o ɛfiri sɛ wɔ susu sɛ ɛyɛ easy deɛ wɔn no ɛyɛ result a yɛ sign happen so that means agent and mpanyinfoɔ a wɔwɔ that police station wɔn agree yɛ ansa na ebedu no wɔn na ɛno nso deɛ ba na ɛsan na wɔgye to mu a wɔgye ato mu there is no way a court ebetumi standing against it na therefore ne nsɛm ne bi wɔ saa to a so mfa kakra nso so na me ntwitwa nsɛm so yɛ papa yi sɛ aka sɛ when the court ruled in favor of the NDC they were happy about it based on the facts mentioned out and now they are afraid the same statement may be done to them when they also take the matter to court. What you said there, Bill, and my court, a cassetia MPP. Na odima NDC amanyokuo into 2012 no woman ni GE womu dierusi che say womu bru MPP for enti some race womu susuro say womu ko na ekoba say Supreme Court anka ama woman na ditia womu a den ya amanyokuo a womu sesi a womu nya power no womu nso ebedi womu fel na eno na ye papa yi esusu ye papa Morrison ampa na tie for say the city ye papa yi nsɛm wa boken ye ntasɛm wa wada na ti sa na ne tie ne kwan so ano no ana still NDC amanyokuo no betumi aye bibi afa declaration isi de betuja misusu say won so nsɛm yi who adwen kyerɛ wɔn papa me hwɛ sɛ nya pɛsɛ wɔn ka wadwen a bɔmɛ dia dropping ɛwɔ yɛ comment section wɔ ɛfa ɛma yɛ afei nso bɔmɔ to one na mo subscribe sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ too much everyday kɛseɛ yɛ de dwumadie bi ato ma nso sa ɛbɛtumi akabi na wo share like ɛde ma yɛ muni aba ma esika na ne de mi nkita ho ɛbɛso mo na bi family ma no besika ɛwɔ dwumaku ɔmo so yɛ ase mama Juliet Ventures ɔba pɛsɛ wo kitchen wo yɛ enika na wo nkɔsrɛ tapoli nkɔsrɛ bibi a kettle kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ niwuo bɔmmɔde afa mama Juliet number no bɛboa ma wo kitchen ɛwɔ ayɛ enika na afei nso no master malone within 24 hours ne wunya ne sɛ wo affordability na government worker ɛwɔ Ghana na minia obɛboa ma wanya urgent money for urgent project aha ɛna mede mo besi that's ne yɛbɛsan ahyia makwa